Hello and welcome to the second part in which we further explore the initiatives and accomplishments related to Government Degree College Bandipora. The college library was renovated and stocked with 3 dozen lockers. The books in the library were doubled from 7,000 to 15,000 and database of enlist for journals was updated. Reading room cum browsing center, equipped with computers and books on competitive exams like civil services was established. Computer Applications Department was fixed with counters, enhancing its seating capacity to accommodate 70 students. All laboratories were equipped with instruments and other facilities, and 6 full-sized smart boards were installed in various departments for students to carry out academic activities smoothly. The college introduced its maiden newsletter in March 2021. Followed by subsequent editions in October 2021 and June 2022. Renovation and facelifting of main college building and 2 full-size washrooms were undertaken. A secured basement was constructed with grills, casing, with roofing to house the electric generators, ensuring their protection and efficiency. Large-sized water purifiers were fitted there. The college didn't have any such drinking water facility on the hilltop. Botanical garden were established on campus. The college roads, lanes were metalled and blacktopped through R&B by pursuing the issue with R&B and the district administration. To make the campus green, the principal Dr. Malik took the initiative to launch many plantation drives in the campus. During the last 3 years, nearly 3,500 saplings were planted in the hilly, arid terrain. A massive plantation drive was conducted under Green J&K Drive with J&K Forest Department, in which Principal Chief Conservator of Forests J&K took part in the plantation of the campus. These plantations drive continued for the last 3 years in the campus. The NSS volunteers, NCC cadets, staff students planted a large number of saplings during the time.
ग्रीन जम्मू कश्मीर मुहिम के तहत महकमे जंगलात इस साल 1 करोड़ के करीब पौधे लगाने जा रहा है। डिग्री कॉलेज बांडीपुरा के अहाते में शुरू की गई शजरकारी मुहिम के दौरान महकमे जंगलात के चीफ प्रिंसिपल कंजर्वेटर और कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद अमीन मलिक और महकमे जंगलात के दीगर अफसरान मौजूद थे।
During the lockdowns, the college set a momentum for academics and research, conducted lectures, talks, off and online activities. Approximately 100 webinars lectures, which include national international lectures on various academic and social issues from reputed institutions, were conducted. Lecture on nanomaterials from Manchester University, UK, nanotechnology for clean energy from Khalifa University, UAE, and career prospectus opportunities abroad from Harvard University, USA, were conducted. Lectures on biotechnology from Harvard University, artificial intelligence from UAE, and NAC for higher education were conducted. First of its kind, an online Grand Urdu Mushaira was conducted in which illustrious poets, intellectuals and writers of J&K were invited. The UGC Skill Development Cell National Skills Qualifications Framework, NSQF, approved 4 skill-based programs of the college with beauty and wellness, IT desktop publishing and multimedia, food processing, tourism and hospitality. 3 research projects from the departments of chemistry and biochemistry submitted in March 2021 were approved and later funded by the Department of Science and Technology for carrying out research activities in the campus. 4 new subjects, music, IT and computers, geography and food science and technology, were introduced in the college after due inspection affiliation by Kashmir University. The defunct sport department was activated with new sports infrastructure. Badminton volleyball courts were constructed through R&B and regular sports events were started. Various sports activities like cricket tournament, volleyball, badminton tournaments were started in and outside the campus. Activities such as road race, environmental issues, cleanliness drive, disaster management programs, career counseling, drug de-addiction, traffic congestion, yoga day, COVID awareness blood donation camp and outreach programs were carried out very effectively in and outside the campus. Both offline and online exams were conducted smoothly and scholarship and financial aid were efficiently carried out. The college did not have NCC unit. The matter was taken up with NCC headquarter Baramulla and NCC activities were started in the campus. It is a matter of pride that one NCC cadet from college got selected in the NCC Senior Wing contingent for Rajpath Republic Day Parade at New Delhi on 26 January 2022. To improve educational quality, foster community engagement, and contribute to societal development under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, UBA, the college adopted 8 villages, visited many remote schools, provided them assistance and brought their problems in the notice of the district administration. The college distributed masks, sanitizers and stationery items among the students and the staff of the schools. Later the college submitted the developmental proposals to the central agency. During the COVID lockdowns, the college administration lent a hand to district administration to control COVID virus spread. The college staff, the NSS volunteers and students organized COVID outreach programs from time to time. To streamline the office work, Dr. Malik managed the posting of a full-fledged accountant from the finance department to the college. Significant efforts were made to recover outstanding dues from some defiant employees and settle other liabilities. The unpleasant audit report was responded point by point and action was taken on all raised queries. Due to the absence of internet access at the hilltop of the college campus, wireless routers and antennas atop buildings was established.
Principal Secretary to Government, Skill Development Department J&K, Dr. Asghar Hassan Samoon, who was in charge Secretary for Monitoring of Developmental Works of Bandipora District, paid a visit to college on 5th of March 2022. During his visit he inspected various departments, laboratories, college library and took stock of ongoing college developmental works in the campus. On this occasion, he also inaugurated College Browsing Center cum Reading Room for the students. Dr. Samoon lauded the efforts of college administration for college fencing issue and also praised for the improvements in academics, student facilities, and the infrastructural developments in the campus.
And finally, some important pictures showing various college activities, subject tours and visit of dignitaries to the campus.